Welcome back, guys. I have cam package and some other things to it. I'm already talking about the fucking shit. This customer, too much. C8 Corvette that was built by the customer. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Something a little different today. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. We have one for you road race guys today. Check it out. That's fucking horrible. Welcome back to the channel. For you road race guys out there, this one's for you. Check it out.
Experience the thrill of unrivaled performance. Our team of experts takes your ride to the next level. From horsepower gains to custom enhancements, we deliver results. Late Model Racecraft. We talking or we racing?
All right, guys, it's starting to rain, so we're gonna quickly shoot this really fast. Mr. Tulos brought us this C8 Corvette. Again, guys, it was already, he's been road racing it for, man, a while now. It came in with the short block was already hurt, so we essentially pulled the engine out. We had a stock long block from GM sent in. We did our complete cam package to it, as well as, y'all can see, long tube headers. We wrap them, obviously because of the road racing. High flow cats, cold air induction system. Let me keep spitballing here. So yeah, back to the camshaft. Engine is out. It comes as a long block from General Motors. I'm gonna go ahead and talk because the rain looks like it's slowing down a little bit. Long block comes from GM. While it's on the engine stand, we replace the camshaft, valve springs, same thing we do with all the other LT stuff out there. And this one I'm done. All right, sorry guys, the rain came. Don't know what we're gonna show or what not to show, but back at the shop real quick, wanted to go over a few things before we show you some action on this thing. So obviously the car is built for road race purposes. So there's a lot of things that come into road racing, not just the performance end of it. Aero and drag and brakes are a big key to road racing. Horsepower isn't everything in road racing. So y'all can see, guys, customer has good front splitter. You see the canards just like the Z06s and the new ZR1 comes with. Moving farther to the back, y'all can see, now these are just his street wheels and tires that he uses, but aftermarket brakes, with brake pads. Again, as they get hot, yes, they make a lot of noise, but once they get hot, they work very well. Farther back, same thing. Again, these are just his street wheels. Big diffuser in the back. Again, rear spoiler, as well as a rear diffuser. And again, that's all for downforce. Usually, I tell customers, the C8 stuff, 70, 80 miles an hour and up is where you really see a big gain in downforce. For these vehicles when you start adding wings and canards as well as diffusers. So back to what we did to it. Again, he's been road racing this thing for a while. It came in, the engine was hurt. We went ahead and got a long block from GM to keep it nice and simple. We did our cam package to it, so cam, springs, retainers, and push rod while it's on the engine stand. And as always, guys, American Racing, it's a long tube header. It has an AW catback exhaust. Because he road races it, we either get them coated normally, all the exhaust systems, or we wrap them. Y'all can see it has the nice DEI heat shield wrap all the way around, because this thing's gonna be at 5,000 RPMs for 15 or 20 minutes at a time. So we have to make sure that temps are good, which is another big thing for when it comes to road racing. You have to make sure your oil cooler, trans cooler, even the brake stuff, everything needs to be, especially here in Texas, as cool as possible because you're racing it for that long a period. You can see we wrap the fuel line as well just to keep the heat away from everything as much as possible. So this thing with the exhaust on and everything, he now has more performance than he did from the factory, but with the downforce and the Aero and the coilovers on this thing, if you hop in and drive this thing versus a stock C8 is a night and day difference. Yeah, this isn't I wouldn't say the best daily driver or a weekend toy even. It's so stiff, normal driving, but you have to have that for road race purposes. So I'll go ahead and leave that here. We're gonna go hit the streets. The rain's kind of settled a little bit. We'll do something a little bit different. Instead of doing straight line stuff, you're gonna see me try to take some turns and have a little bit of fun, because that's what he's gonna do with it. I actually got to meet him, and his wife came this morning. They're actually here, they're grabbing some lunch right now. So after that, we'll give it a once over, and then him and his wife can go have some fun with it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Give it a like if you liked it so far. And please turn on bell notifications for future content, as we have cool stuff in the pipeline that you're gonna wanna see. And as always, please comment below. All right, test driving Mr. Tulo's beautiful C8, specifically built for road racing. Him and his wife travel around and road race this vehicle, and they have a blast doing it. And we're about to have some fun. Instead of straight line stuff, let's make some turns with this thing. Man, with the coilovers on this thing all the way around. Obviously the brakes, y'all can hear the brakes squealing. When they get hot, they make noise, but the hotter they get with the carbon stuff, the more that they grab. And the customer does have a completely different set of wheels and tires for driving at the track. Obviously we're on regular street tires right here. And again, this thing is specifically built for going to the track. So it does ride rough with the coilovers on it, but it's what you need to be able to take a turn like that and have the car plant. Same with the aerodynamics on it, with the rear diffuser and the rear spoiler on this thing. To be able to come into the turn, decel. Dude just hugs the turn in third gear like this. Comment below, guys. Let me know what you have to say. Until next time.